Here's a question to ask yourself. Are you checking in to your life or checking out of your life? Now, if you're a regular drinker like I used to be, you're probably checking out quite a bit, right? So ask yourself, why is it that I am checking out? What are the things in my life that I want to check out from? Maybe you aren't feeling fulfilled in your relationship or your job, or you have some insecurities. I mean, whatever it is, what is it that you want to check out with? Because that's what addiction is, whether it's alcohol, gambling, porn. I mean, it doesn't matter. You're checking out of your life. And what I've discovered by becoming a non-drinker and helping others do that too is like, we need to check into our lives. You know, I love checking in with myself, personal development, growth, mindset, making sure that I'm fully in and, mindful of what's going on, as opposed to, oh shit, I need to run away. I need to escape. I need to check out for a while. If you're finding yourself constantly wanting to check out, you owe it to yourself to figure out what's going on there. And once you do that, alcohol becomes less and less attractive. Now, if you need help with this, make sure you follow me, save this video, go watch any of my other videos to help you break free from alcohol, and check out my website at the link in my bio. It's coachedbychris.com to see how we've helped others start checking into their life, break free from booze, and really turn their life around.